Welcome back to another episode of JailBreak Overlander. I'm Richie, and this is JailBreak. And before I show you the video where I start calling owls, and not one, not two, but three, circle and respond to me, I'm going to do the drawing for the giveaway of the EMP proof bag that Renee from Off Grid Trek was nice enough to supply us with. This is a serious bag. It's an expensive bag, but it works. And if you're not one of the people that, if you're not the lucky winner, I'll leave you links so you can actually go to Off Grid Trek and buy one for yourself, because these bags are serious and they actually work. Now, if you want to see the owls and you want to see who won, you're going to have to sit back, relax, and of course, check this out. Okay, here's the list of everybody that entered to win the EMP proof bag. As long as you're in the continental United States, I'll pay for the shipping. If you live outside the country, you're paying for the shipping. And that's just all there is to it. Broken Reality, another YouTuber, was nice enough to make this list for me because I do a lot of giveaways. I'm also giving away my personal 2020 Razer Blade Pro 17 laptop. That's another giveaway that's going right now that not a lot of people entered, so odds are good. At any rate, you can pause this at any point to see your name, but everybody's name that said I'm in should be on this list. If you're not, it is what it is. I'm not redoing the whole contest, so there's that. At any rate, let me let this run for a minute so everybody can see their name. Pause it if you have to. Now we go over to random.org. We install the number 591 and we hit the generate button and it gives us number 510. So number 510 on the list, you have won the EMP proof bag. Shoot me an email at rjcjr10@yahoo.com. If I don't hear from you in 24 hours, I'm going to redraw. So there's that. Everybody else, you can always get one from Off Grid Trek. So if you follow this channel for any length of time, you know that I travel the United States a lot. I travel the United States alone, but I carry a lot of cameras, and I go to a lot of places where nobody else goes. And every place I go, I'm always in search of the ever-elusive owl. My goal is to try to find every owl that you can find in North America. The problem with that is owls are nocturnal for the most part. I've been everywhere, Yellowstone, in the winter, entirely and utterly alone, looking for an owl. That's what I do. I love it. It brings you to some of the most beautiful outdoor environments you're ever going to come across, and it's just a soul-searching experience for me. I don't know how else to possibly say it. I've found owls on telephone poles in Wyoming. I've even been down the Everglades looking for owls. Very, very exotic owls. And any place you can imagine you would find an owl, like a farm, at twilight, I've been there. In Lynn Woods in Massachusetts in the wintertime, so cold that my cameras failed, I've been there. I've searched every place looking for owls, and I mean, I'm not kidding. I put in some serious miles. And for all the places that I've gone, down to the Louisiana Bayou, out west, California, Texas, Washington State, Vermont, West Virginia, South Carolina. I come off a 4-month-long road trip. I've been on the road for 4 months solid, and I head to the woods near my house the same day, and this happens. So I'm out in the middle of the woods, and I'm in a really swampy spot, and I start doing a barred owl call, and I just start looking around up in the trees and such, and there's a barred owl sitting right there staring at me. He just flew right over there. But it worked. I cannot believe that. Right over there. So the owl that I'm calling, that little hoot you just heard me do, it's called "Who Cooks for You? Who Cooks for You?" I don't know why they say that, but that's the noise you make, and the bird that I'm calling in is the exact bird I'm showing you right here. I cannot believe that. I looked up, I was freaked. I thought there was one in that tree over there, and he was right in that branch up top. He just flew right over there. No way he's not coming back. He's got to. Now, little did I know, my call was going to call 3 of them in. That's my best owl call. He's right over there. I cannot believe that. He was looking right down at me. That's a trip. And when the 3 of them finally encircle me, it gets hectic. This is where you find them. Swampy, wooded areas. My bike's over there. The owl's over here. Let's see if I can find him. I found him, but I didn't get the camera on quick enough. Now it's getting dark in here. Come on, man, hurry up. I cannot believe that I did a barred owl call. It's right there. He's right there. See what I mean? Told you. See what I mean? But that's not all, because his buddies show up. Not 1, not 2, but 3 of them. And it gets crazy. Told ya. Right there. He's beautiful. My call worked. I can't believe it. Right. It's amazing. Wow, that's beautiful. What a beautiful bird. All right, time to get out of here. That was badass. That's what I do when nobody's looking. He's still going. Oh, there's 2 of them.
I called in 2 of them. There's 3 of them. There's 3 of them. Holy cow. That's their territorial call. Yeah, right there, right in that tree, one right. There's a whole gang of them. Right there. Right there. Right there. Oh, I'm gonna get my ass kicked. I haven't been here in 4.5 months and I found owls in the first half hour. Awesome. They're all around me. No, I'm not going to call anymore because I want them to think they scared off whoever they think I was. Probably ought to go find my bike. That was right up there. That is awesome. So this is their area. I found it. That's phenomenal.
So for those of you that try to videotape owls or you're a bird watcher, you know how rare that was. My bird call wasn't all that great, but you got to remember, my face is right next to the camera. And it worked. It's a rare thing to call in not 1, but 2, but 3 of them at one time. At any rate, congratulations to the winner, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe, and always pay attention because we're always doing a giveaway one way or the other, and these are serious giveaways. I'm out.